Want a career that takes you across borders and boosts your earnings? Let's talk about why studying international business in Australia might be your next big move. First, what is international business? It's not just trading goods and services between countries. It's about project planning, negotiations, managing finances, and understanding global markets. Here's the best part: job opportunities are everywhere. According to Seek.com, there are over 9,625 jobs in Australia related to international business right now, and PayScale reports international business managers earn an average of $80,000 per year. So why Australia? Let me break it down for you. Number 1. No specific background required. Whether you're fresh out of high school or have a bachelor's degree in another field, there's a course for you. Start with a diploma or jump straight into a bachelor's or master's degree. Your choice. Number 2. Diverse subjects with real-world experience. You'll study everything from marketing strategy to risk management, and hands-on projects will prepare you for the challenges of global business. Number 3. Flexible start dates. Most Australian universities offer 2-3 intakes per year, so you can start when it works for you. Number 4. Post-study work visa. Complete a 2-year degree, and you're eligible for a 2-year post-study work visa. That's real work experience in Australia. What about course options? Here's a quick look. Diploma programs give you foundational skills. Bachelor's degrees dive deeper into global trade and market dynamics. Master's programs take it to the next level with leadership and strategy. Where can you study? Top universities like the University of Queensland, Griffith University, and UNSW offer programs at every level. Now, let's talk careers. Graduates work as business analysts, international trade specialists, logistics managers, and even diplomats. Thinking about permanent residency in Australia? Here's your pathway. Number 1. Apply for a post-study work visa after completing your degree. Number 2. Use that time to gain experience and meet PR requirements through skilled or employer-sponsored visas. Australia offers flexibility, high-quality education, and global career opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Drop a comment below if you're ready to take the leap. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing opportunities.